Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and use the privacy notice icon feature in the Poco X7 Pro. So, what exactly is a privacy notice? It's a security feature that lets you know when certain sensitive permissions are being used by your apps, such as the camera, microphone, or locations. It gives you a small visual notifications whenever an app is accessing these private features. And the purpose is simple: to keep you aware and in control of your privacy. So let's get started. First, just open the settings app like this, and then just scroll down until you find notifications and status bar. This one, just tap on it, and inside this menu, just tap on customize icon display. And here you will see different icons that can appear on your status bar. Now, now look for the options called privacy notice. This one. Simply turn on the switch and the features will be active. Turn it on until it has a blue button like this. And then let's see how it works in real life. For example, I will open Google Maps like this. And as you can see, you will notice at the top right corner of the screen, there is a small green circular icon. That's the privacy notice. If you swipe down to open the status bar and then tap on the icon, on this icon, you will see a message telling you that locations is being used by Google Maps like this. This is very helpful because now you always know whenever an app is accessing your locations, microphone, or camera in the background. And okay, that's it. You have successfully enabled the privacy notice icon on your Poco X7 Pro. This is a simple but powerful feature to protect your personal data and give you peace of mind. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.